The lizard is a widespread and diverse group of reptiles that belong to the order Squamata. There are over 6,000 species of lizards, ranging in size, shape, and habitat. Lizards are found on every continent except Antarctica and occupy various ecosystems, from deserts and rainforests to urban environments. Their adaptability, varied diets, and unique behaviors make them fascinating creatures. Lizards typically have elongated bodies, for legs, and a long tail, though some species, such as legless lizards, have evolved to lose their limbs. Their skin is covered in scales, which provide protection and reduce water loss. These scales can vary in size, shape, and color, allowing lizards to camouflage into their surroundings, avoid predators, and attract mates. Lizard size can range from a few centimeters, such as the dwarf gecko, to several meters long, like the Komodo dragon, the largest lizard species. Many lizards have keen vision, with eyes adapted to detect movement and color, crucial for hunting prey or avoiding predators. Lizards are highly adaptable and live in a wide variety of habitats, including deserts, forests, mountains, grasslands, and urban areas. Some species, like the marine iguana, have even adapted to live in aquatic environments. However, most lizards prefer warm climates, as they are ectothermic, cold-blooded, relying on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. Lizards can be found on all continents, with particularly high diversity in tropical and subtropical regions. They are often seen basking in the sun to warm up, as maintaining a high body temperature is essential for their metabolism and activity. Lizards have a wide range of diets, making them omnivores, insectivores, carnivores, or herbivores, depending on the species. Smaller lizards tend to eat insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates, while larger species like the Komodo dragon can prey on mammals, birds, and other reptiles. Herbivorous lizards, such as iguanas, feed on fruits, leaves, and flowers. Some lizards, like geckos, use their sticky tongues to catch prey, while others, like monitor lizards, rely on their strength and speed to overpower larger prey. Most lizards are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs, but some species are viviparous, giving birth to live young. The number of eggs or young can vary greatly depending on the species. Female lizards typically lay their eggs in sheltered locations such as underground nests or leaf litter to protect them from predators. Lizard courtship involves a variety of visual displays, including color changes, head bobbing, and dewlap extensions, an extendable flap of skin beneath the throat, especially prominent in species like the anole. Males often compete for females, and some species are territorial, using physical fights or displays to ward off rivals. Lizards are skilled at moving through their environments, with many species being adept climbers, swimmers, or fast runners. They rely on their muscular tails for balance and agility. Some species, such as geckos, have specialized toe pads that allow them to cling to vertical surfaces, even walking upside down on ceilings. A unique behavior in some lizards is tail autotomy, where they can detach their tail when threatened by predators. The detached tail continues to wriggle, distracting the predator and giving the lizard time to escape. The tail eventually regrows, although it may not be as long or colorful as the original. Lizards are also known for their territorial behaviors, with many species marking and defending their space. This is particularly common among males, who use visual displays or scents to warn off rivals and attract potential mates. Lizards have developed a variety of defense mechanisms to avoid predators. Camouflage is a common method, where they blend into their surroundings to become nearly invisible. Chameleons, for example, are famous for their ability to change color to match their environment or communicate with other chameleons. Some lizards, like horned lizards, have more extreme defenses, such as the ability to squirt blood from their eyes when threatened. Others, like skinks, use their smooth, shiny scales to slip out of predators' grasp. Lizards communicate using visual signals, chemical cues, and vocalizations. Color changes are a key form of communication in species like chameleons and anoles, which can signal aggression, submission, or readiness to mate. Head bobbing and push-ups are common visual signals used in territory disputes and courtship displays. Some lizards, like geckos, use vocal sounds such as chirps or clicks to communicate, especially during mating season. Additionally, chemical cues left through scent marks help lizards identify one another and establish territories. The lifespan of lizards varies by species. Smaller species may live only a few years, while larger species like monitor lizards can live for several decades. In captivity, some lizards have been known to live longer due to controlled environments and lack of predators. Lizards play important roles in ecosystems as both predators and prey. They help control insect populations and, in turn, provide a food source for birds, mammals, snakes, and other predators. Herbivorous lizards also contribute to seed dispersal by consuming fruit and excreting the seeds in new locations. Lizards face numerous threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and invasive species. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion destroy the natural habitats of many lizard species, leading to population declines. Additionally, climate change affects the temperature-dependent behavior of lizards, including their ability to regulate body heat and reproduce. Some species, such as the Komodo dragon, are classified as vulnerable due to habitat destruction and poaching. Conservation efforts aim to protect lizard habitats and prevent illegal trade, especially for species that are kept as exotic pets. Lizards are a highly diverse and adaptable group of reptiles that occupy nearly every corner of the globe. Their unique physical traits, behaviors, and ecological roles make them integral to the health of many ecosystems. However, ongoing threats to their habitats and survival highlight the importance of conservation efforts to protect these remarkable creatures for future generations.